let's learn a mudra. How to do this mudra? Let's see. We will take help of both the hands. Your right hand little finger will go inside the left hand little finger and ring finger. Clasp wrist fingers in this way. Your left hand thumb will be encircled by the right hand index finger and thumb. Your tip of the right hand index finger and thumb will be touched like this. With a feather touch, you touch it. Keep your left hand thumb erect and this gesture will look like this. Keep this gesture in front of your chest and do the conscious breathing with a smiling face. Inhale and exhale.